Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto with more crypto news. Bitcoin against the SP 500. Are we in a Bitcoin bear market? Another crypto scam. And Matic features link. Bitcoin correlation with the SP 500 Nasdaq hits highest level since July 2020. The correlation between Bitcoin and two major equities indices, the SP 500 and Nasdaq, surged to an 18th-month high, according to new research. Historically, Bitcoin has maintained a relative low correlation to traditional asset classes, including equity indices and commodities like gold. However, in recent weeks, the leading cryptocurrency correlation to two major indices, the SP 500 and Nasdaq, has been on the rise. Yesterday, it reached its highest correlation since July 2020 at 0.61 and 0.58 respectively, according to a new report from digital assets market data provider Geico. The correlation coefficient is usually given as a number between -1 and 1. So what does this mean? The closer it gets to -1, the stronger the negative correlation. The price of Bitcoin and stocks tend to move in opposite directions. The closer to 1, the stronger the positive correlation. The two variables tend to move in the same direction, meaning that Bitcoin is following stock closely. Now, being at 0.61 and 0.58 means crypto is following the stock market. But is crypto overreacting? With the stock markets dropping less than 1% and crypto dropping 9 to 12% yesterday, which one is currently overreacting? Could we see a major correction from yesterday's dump? Analyst indicates maximum financial opportunities for Bitcoin amid recent slump. Bitcoin is now trading around the 41,000 and 42,000 support zone. And although there is a lot of fear in the markets right now, there are also a lot of opportunities to profit from the current conditions. Notably, leading cryptocurrency trading expert Michael van Pope has stated that as a result of the sudden dip that occurred on January 10 when Bitcoin briefly fell below $40,000, Bitcoin has reached a longer time frame for support, which has, in return, created the foundation for more financial opportunities to emerge. Does this mean retailers is going to come back in? It's more affordable? Or is institutions going to buy even more? Is Bitcoin in a bear market? Crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen updates outlook on Bitcoin. Popular crypto trader Benjamin Cohen doesn't think Bitcoin is likely to escape its price doldrums anytime soon. Well, if you've been in crypto for a while, a 40 to 50% correction is becoming a second nature. The analyst tells his 687,000 YouTube subscribers that Bitcoin has fallen far short of its bull market support band, a market indicator derived from the 20-week simple moving average SMA and the 21-week exponential average. BTC is currently trading at 42,246, which is way below the 20-week SMA, which is at 52,400, and the 21-week EMA, which is at 49,600. Yes, the market is bearish. You're better off just calling it what it is, right? The market is bearish now. As for the first quarter this year, the crypto trader believes that Bitcoin will likely not print mind-blowing gains in the coming months. It's going to be a bit of a choppier, whether it means further downside a little bit, whether it means we come up and come back down and test it, the 40,000 mark. Whether it means best case scenario we go up above $50,000 and then test it and hold it as support. Either you slice it, no matter you look at, whether I take the most bullish case and I can imagine, or the most bearish case I can imagine that's realistic. I don't see a parabolic Q1. What's more important is continuing to build out the market structure, range between $30,000 and $60,000. Eventually getting above the bull market support band, holding it as support, and then trending higher. So we're getting a big range between $30,000 and $60,000. It is a 50% drop from the $60,000 mark, and it's a 100% gain from the $30,000 mark. Depending on how you play it or how you trade it, there's opportunities in the market. JP Morgan Chase CEO hints at 0.25% rate hikes. Here's what it means for crypto. The key rate is one of the main tools of strengthening a country's monetary policy and national currency, which creates more pleasurable conditions for foreign investors that push the economy by buying government bonds and a country's citizens, who are more likely to deposit their funds in banks rather than in the stock market. Previously, the US participated quantitative easing, a form of monetary policy in which the central bank incentivizes lending the investment by purchasing long-term securities on the open market. Financial experts note that the quantitative easing was one of the main fuels of an almost 13-year bull run on the US stock market. But yes, they've been tapering and printing money non-stop. And where is this money going? It's going into the stock market. How does a high key rate affect the crypto market? In addition to incentivizing investments in national currency, high key rates create conditions in which traders are more likely to invest in risk-off assets like commodities and precious metals rather than risky assets like crypto. Does this mean more fiat will leave the crypto market? Previously, You Today covered one of the main reasons behind the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market drop that was also reflected on the stock market. Both crashes happened after the Fed allowed a key rate hike in March of this year. At the same time, Jamie Dimon, BlackRock and JP Morgan Strategies have stated that the market is currently oversold and that we might see a short-term rebound. Now, a short-term rebound is a correction. It's wealthy for the market. We need to see it come down, keep on moving up. Matic flips link as most popular coin for trading among the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. Matic becomes fourth purchased coin. Over the past 24 hours, Matic has become the fourth top purchased coin, with Link following it. Ethereum holds first place here, and stablecoins USDC and USDT are in the honorable second and third place. Recently, Matic has proven to be one of the most popular altcoins along with SHIB, Link, and FTX token among whales. So, with Ethereum being the most bought coin the last 24 hours, even with its high gas fees, the whales is still seeing potential. Whale stock up on Matic and Massa. As covered by You Today a few days ago, over the weekend some of the largest Ethereum holders were purchasing great amounts of FTX, Matic and Link, while the whole cryptocurrency market was in decline. On Saturday, January 8th, the top 1,000 ETH whales purchased an aggressive 7.2 million Matic tokens in free transactions, equal to over $15 million. An overall amount of 222,000 Link was also purchased, as well as 2.4 million FTX tokens worth $85 million. If the whales are purchasing, why are the retailers selling? Indian authorities seized assets in alleged 162 million crypto scam. Another crypto scam. Crypto scams is on the rise. Be careful. Make sure you do your due diligence before getting into anything. 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣 and his associates allegedly perpetrated a crypto scam in which some 900 investors were cheated out of approximately $162 million. The ED launched an investigation into the scam after Kerala police registered multiple reports from investors affected by the scam. The accused and the accomplices had collected money from investors under pretext of an initial coin offering of a non-existing cryptocurrency called Morris Coin. The ED press release said the money collected from investors was used to purchase cryptocurrencies, immovable properties, cars, and luxury hotels and resort stays. The ED also seized cryptocurrencies purchased with the proceeds from the crime, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Cardano, among others. Crypto scams are on the rise across the world. According to Chain Analyst data, crypto crimes hit a new all-time high, with illicit addresses receiving $14 billion last year, increasing 79% from 7.8 billion in 2020. India currently does not have regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. Legislation is expected to be flooded in the next parliamentary session. Now, we're seeing crypto scams all over popping up, and it's very hard to know what's real and what's not. Never invest funds you can't afford to lose, and do your due diligence to the best of your ability. Smash that like button and remember to subscribe. A lot more crypto news is on the horizon. Have fun, enjoy, and take care.